Connecting an IC card like ICOCA, Suica, or PASMO to your iPhone makes one-tap train rides a breeze. But did you know you can also use it on the subway? On other train lines too, like Keihan, Hanshin, Hankyu, and monorail. At vending machines. Refreshing. At convenience stores. Very convenient. At coin lockers, which are located at most major stations. Restaurants. And buses too. How about a taxi ride? You can even pay for your admission at museums and attractions. And make purchases at retail stores, grocery stores, pharmacies, and more. ICOCA on your iPhone. Very convenient. Just make sure you have sufficient funds loaded. Check out this video here to see all the convenient ways to reload your IC card on your iPhone. And if you don't have your IC card on your iPhone yet, what are you waiting for? Check out this video for step-by-step instructions on getting set up. For more tips on getting the most out of your time in Japan, check out InsideKyoto.com and InsideOsaka.com. Find the best itineraries for your time in Japan, as well as insiders' advice, locals' recommendations, and more.